You cry over this is 90 this time. I'll do like erasing the 8. Just deal with it. 90 over x. We're going to say 90. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, another topic. Whatever. Deal with it. 90, 45, 38. Yeah, I love calculators. Can't believe we can't use them in school. Yes, that. And that. That'd be 23.5. Yeah, for wondering. And 18, 15. 15. Alright, this is 1, 11, 2, 0, 0, 9, so no, no, no. 90 actually has quite a bit of possible. There's 245, these two, and then no, not that. So it's 3, which is pretty good actually. I'm gonna re-verify 80 because that was that's 16. Yep, that's right. Okay, so let's add our 90 in there. So 90, and then we have 245, and then we have 18, 16. So, oh, did I get two? Yeah, I got one. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is plug them in. So let's do 15 and 2, which is 30. If we make both these 30. Okay, I'm gonna actually map out what everything would be for 15, because that'll make things easier. So let's just do 15x in my calculator, because I'm too lazy to manually computate it, because I'm retarded, but that's beside the point. I found a calculator, so they can help me. Okay, so we're gonna do, we're going into this 15x is gonna be our equation. Y equals, so x, y, that's, so we're going to be 1 through 9 again, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here, let's go 15, and let's go 30, 30, 45, 45, 60, 60, 75, 90, 105, and 8, and 135. Alright, so this will make it easier for me because I suck with computation, like I've said 5 million times. Alright, so we got 30 here. Now what would our next value be? Right after the 3-digit number, so one of these three, but 10 minus the last digit would have to be 3. And 10 minus 5 is not 3. So all of these would be extraneous. So this is an extraneous. So no 30. Okay. So now let's move on to 50. Okay, so y equals 25x. Okay, let me get rid of these 30s. I don't want them anymore. I want it to be 50 this time. Okay, so now let's run our little dealie and say 25x this time. Get our table. copy the contents. Or you can manually do this, that's cool too. I choose not to, personally, because I make so many mistakes all the time. But you can do that if you really wish. You impress your friends or impress yourself if you have that time. Alright, so this one's not too bad. I'm not too bad. Use that 25 every time. It's easy for me. Let me verify. Okay, that looks good to me. So 50. Hey, look, we need a three-digit that's going to get us 5. Well, this is really good. Well, none of these zeros would obviously work, or this end part. I'm not going to cross them out, but it's not going to be any of these. So it's going to be this one, or this one. So, let me think. Run this through. Let's just roll with it. I know this is extraneous, but I want to show how you get there. And I so do not remember. And yeah. So it's really hoping we find out it's extraneous right away. But which way do we want to go? Let's go to 125. Okay. So 125. Okay. So this would have to be 130 because this number plus this number is going to give us this number. So 130 plus 125 is 5. And that's 0. So we've got that much. Now what we got to do is find the others. So we need some 10 value. Well, you know what I mean. 2-digit number that ends in 0. Like all the 10 values there. So that equals 13. So look on our chart. Our lowest is 25. And we could plug in 25 there. 25. And that would get you here. And then you add those up. Oh, my bad. This is extraneous now. So 125 does not work because any 0 minus any of these numbers is probably going to get you 5 or 0. So we can't use 1.5 for this. So let's move on. This was XX. This probably mess it all up. It's X, 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 X. Let's move on to 175. Alright, plug 175 in here. 175 plus 5 is 180. 180 to get 18. So that does not work either. 1.5 I did. 75. Okay, 225. 225, we get 225 plus 5 will give you this number, which is 230. 230, 23, you cannot generate 24. 25 has now been canceled, which means this has been extraneous. Yay! Okay. Now we are done with this equation. I'm just going to show the right side because the other part's useful. Alright, so now let's do 15. 15.